Hey there mga my loves, Leo! Thank you so much for always being here with me in the channel. By the way, ang content natin is alamin natin ano ba yung bagay or pangyayari, sitwasyon na hindi mo kayang pigilan na hindi mangyari. Yun! So yun nga mga babes, so before we start this reading of yours, let me just greet everybody. Hi and hello there new subscribers. Thank you so much. Ako po si Yan. Welcome. At sa mga returning viewers, thank you so much sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta. So yun nga mga babes, no? Wala po tayo ritong gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, cross watchers, you can flip roles if you want. And at the end of the day, you always have your free na-free nyo rin talagang gamitin. So, let's go ahead and check these messages here for you, Leo. So, Spirits and Angel, guys, like Angel Michael, thank you so much. What do we have here for Leo? Ano ba tong mga bagay or pangyayari na hindi kayang pigilan ni Leo na mangyari? Can you please show me? Ano tong mga bagay or mga pangyayari na hindi kayang pigilan ni Leo na hindi mangyari? Thank you so much, Archangel Michael, together with the beautiful angels and guides. Let's see what do we have here for Leo. This is for Leo. I really do appreciate your presence here in the channel, babes. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's go ahead and check these messages here for ya, Leo. Pero let me do the honor first ng pagli ng energy sa ating table. Wow! The Sun. Wow! The Sun and the Ten of Pentacles energy right next to each other. So definitely, no, agad-agad, nakakuha na talaga tayo dito na isa sa mga pinaka hindi mo mapipigilang mangyari. Ano ba namang pipigilan pa dyan, Leo? Leo is the energy mo, ang Sun. Wow! There is something here that you will feel so much overwhelmed at happiness yon. Overjoyed na nakikita ko sa'yo dito. You will feel like gusto mong sumayaw, magtatatalon sa tuwa, no? Because whatever it is that you are about to receive, it's the life na kakaiba. Hindi ito ang usual na life, no? And you will be receiving this 10 of coins energy. Wow, great news coming in for you guys. So definitely abundance, prosperity, family, commitment. Wala ka mang love life ngayon. I'm seeing someone here na magiging next relationship is yun na yung magiging future spouse mo. And if you are in a relationship right now, I'm seeing marriage for the both of you. And kung meron ka mga yung kausap at kakonect, there's a high potential na that connection will be taken to the next level, up until the next level. Wow! And for others, kasama pa dito ang pera, no? Kasaganahan sa pera, kaaluwanan sa sitwasyon ng pamumuhay. You will never be the same, no? The life na buhay mo ngayon ay hindi na magiging the same. Wow! So something here will happen sa yung career, job, business, or even love life. Wow! Leo. Diyan pa lang parang pwede na nating itigil. You also have here the Five of Wands energy. The Nine of Coins. The Moon card energy. Four of Wands, yes. Page of Swords, King of Pentacles, and the Magician, yeah. You're manifesting here something great for your life. And you could be manifesting this, no? Medyo may pagka-overthinker pa nga kayo, Leo, no? Sa inyo rito mga nakaraan na mga years, no? Parang nahihirapan kayo ritong kalabanin ng sarili niyo ritong mga isipan, no? Sometimes, kahit gusto mo maging positibo, no? Laging ayan na naman, negative na naman yung iisip ninyo, may mga nagtitrigger na naman ng mga toxic energies around you, they affect you, yan no. Pero ngayon, mukhang nagpo-focus ka na talaga rito and with the King of Pentacles energy, yan, boom! Finally, it's over. You now know how to deal with life at nakikita ko rito na talagang ginawa mo ang iyong very, very best effort for you to step into this type of energy with the Sun card and Ten of Pentacles energy. Yeah, no wonder that with the Moon card energy, this is something here that you do not expect to happen right now because this is something here, no, na secret, hidden pa sa'yo. Alam naman natin na walang lihim at sikretong hindi nabubunyag, honey. Kaya naman sinabi ko na kinanta ko na sa inyo, una pa lang, 'di ba? And another message right here that I'm picking up na hindi mo kayang pigilan right here, Leo, is there is people right here getting attracted to you. Why not? Spot on ang iyo ritong energy. Your aura is so positive right here and it is an evident. It's a proof. Kaya dito, may mga taong may inspire sa'yo, gusto nila dito makipagkaibigan sa'yo, makilala ka, maging role model ka sa kanilang buhay, no? So maybe you're doing something here in the social media. Maybe you could be owning here social media platforms like TikTok. Maybe you speak there, or maybe you dance. You show your talent, you sing, okay? Maybe you are also someone here with very good looking physical appearance. Dagdag pa yun sa pogi points at ganda points mo dito sa mga tao na to. They wanna be like you. They wanna be your friends, no? And I think you are just new in the social media. Like, pwedeng bago-bago pa lang yung social media mo. Pwedeng tinayo mo lang yan 2 years ago. Probably 3 years. No? Hindi pa ganun katagal. Or pwedeng recently lang, no? But you're attracting people towards you. They want na maging model ka, no, ng kanilang life. Yan, no? Maybe iba sa inyo, you use your channel to advise, send tips, no? Iba naman pwedeng mga makeup tutorials, no? Na pinaggaan ninyo yung buhay ng mga ladies out there, no? Na may technique pala on how to do this and that and all of those stuffs, no? Others, iba-iba na pwedeng yung nakakatulong yung channel mo na para magawa ng maayos yung isang bagay, no? Na hindi nila alam kung paano gawin or ayusin or i-fix. Maybe your channel is all about the transportations, no? Or pag-aayos ng mga vehicle, car na hindi na kailangan dalhin sa mga shops, 'di ba? Yan, sa mga service shops, no, mga ganon. So whatever the case may be, you're attracting, you're drawing people to you. People show themselves to you. Yan, no? At hindi mawawala dyan ang mga people na gusto ka ring i-date. At yan ang isa sa mga hindi mo mapipigilang mangyari, Leo. At isa na nga sa kanila ang tantadadan, Four of Wands energy. You will definitely see potential of future spouse in one of those people that you will meet. You will marry one of those people that you will encounter and you will meet. You will definitely feel that intense, strong connection, soulful connection to that special individual that you will meet. And that person is one of your biggest fan. Yan, no? Silent fan mo, no? Ang nakikita ko dito, this person here, posibleng isa siya sa manligaw sa'yo or late na manligaw sa'yo. Yan. So, I do pick up that this person here will definitely pick your interest. Hindi siya dito yung lalapit sa'yo at agad sasabihin na pwede ka bang ligawan or whatever. These people or this person here, ayaw niyang ma-shock kayo, Leo. So, I think this person here is coming in really slow. Yeah, pretty slow. Okay? Pero, steady. So, I think this person here is magiging friends kayo. Okay? And from there, kikilalanin ka niya, no? Magkakakilanlan kayo and nakikita ko rito, no, that you will be making this connection here alive. Magkakasundo kayo sa mga bagay, you will laugh right here, parehas kayo rito matatawa sa isang sitwasyon na pagtatawanan nyo na lang talaga. You will jive and dance in the same rhythm. Okay? Nakikita kong sasamahan ka niya through ups and downs. Pag may problema ka, no, at pag masaya ka, sasamahan ka rin niya, no. This person here, you will have a lot of fun. And from there, I think, mahuhulog yung loob mo sa kanya. Pero, una na pong nahulog ang loob niya sa inyo. Yeah. Okay. And you will definitely malalaman mo rin yan, no. Probably pag kayo na. Yan. So, for my Leo out there in relationship naman, well, I told you guys, na isa sa mga bagay na hindi mo nakikita dito ay ang marriage sa inyo ng iyong partner, boyfriend, girlfriend, long time man, or kaka-relationship nyo lang, kamakailan, no? I'm seeing long-term commitment sa inyong dalawa. Your relationship, no, will get stronger and stronger and you will build that legacy. Wow. Legacy, that foundation, na magkasama hanggang dulo. Tataguyod ang pamilya, tataguyod ang connection nito. LGBTQs, of course, mga sweetheart, you're also welcome here in this reading, okay? Both of you will show effort, okay? Extra effort in maintaining this connection here na matibay, okay? At nakita ko rito na parehas ninyo na mamahalin ng isa't isa at magpapakita ng dedikasyon at passion in making this love connection na mas patatagin at pag-ibayuhin pa. Isa rin dito sa hindi yung pa mapipigilan, Leo, no, ay ang meron ka ritong aaralin na bagong, ewan ko, strategy, or babalik ka talaga sa pag-aaral dahil meron kang gustong i-masteral dito, no, baka yan ay one of your goals, no, kasi gusto mo talaga na i-pursue yan, baka iba sa inyo, gusto niyo mag-professor, or gusto niyo na mag-master dyan sa subject na yan kasi gusto niya yan na pagkakitaan rin, no? Maging sideline, yung iba ganun, no? So, nakita ko dito na may aaralin. Kaya iba doesn't have to be na babalik kayo sa school, no? Pero I think yung aaralin ninyo, no, is something here na posibleng biglaan na maisip ninyo. Okay? Kasi kayo ito na parang naniniwala kasi kayo, Leo, no? Nakita ko ng mga energies dito na pag pinatagal niyo pa ito, baka magbago yung isip niyo, eh. May ganun kayo, eh, no? So, dito parang naisip ko ito ngayon and I feel so energetic about this. I feel so excited. I feel positive about this. Then, go. Yan. Gagawin ko nito ngayon. Ano? And, tama ka. Kasi once na ginawa mo na ito, you will feel your heart na talaga namang gustong-gusto mo pala talaga itong gawin and then hindi mo pagsisisihan na ginawa mo na ito agad-agad. Di ba? Example niyan yung ano, may mga barkada tayo, mga kaibigan tayo, may mga group chat, di ba? Pag nagpaplano ang barkada, oh, kita-kita tayo dito, next month, ganitong date, ganitong oras, no, biglang, ay, next month, biglang, ay, hindi pala ako pwede, pre. Sis, may lakad pala ako niyang araw na yan. Hindi ko lang talaga nakita rito sa planner ko. Yan, no? May mga ganun-ganun. Pero, pag yung barkada, oh, nandito ako ngayon sa ano, SM, ano, sino mga malapit dito, tara na, antayin ko kayo. Yan, no? Natutuloy, di ba? Mas natutuloy yung biglaan, eh. Diba? So, yun yung nakita ko rito, no? So, this is you. You feel so energetic about this. You feel so lively. You feel happy, no? And then, boom! You just wanna do it. And then, it turned out na happiness yung nakita ko sa energy mo. Great! Diba? So, nakita ko rin dito, no, mga babes, no, na ito, hindi mo to nakikita mangyayari, pero nakikita ko na magdedesisyon ka rito. Pero ito, dito mag-resonate sa lahat. Nakita ko may mga magdedesisyon ditong Leo people na bumukod sa kanilang bahay or ganito, baka kayo ay living with friends or ano, mga katrabaho dahil sa work ninyo or whatever. Nakita kong hihiwalay ka. Hindi dahil may kaaway ka dyan. Kundi gusto mo lang maging independent. Yan, no? So, paano ikaw ito may isip mo dito na parang gusto ko na dahil nasa right age na ako, adult na ako, gusto kong tingnan at subukin yung sarili ko kung talagang kaya ko ba itong mag-isa. Kasi pag niisip ko, kaya ko ito eh. Pero iba pag nandun ka na sa sitwasyon na yun. So, nakita ko dito na meron ditong mga independent or gustong maging independent. Baka meron ditong mga newly graduates, no? Baka may mga students dito nag-iisip ng ganito. Iba naman, doesn't have to be na students kayo. Pwedeng working na rin kayo, pero gusto mo na bumukod, no? Dahil gusto mo maging independent dito. You wanna be more mature. And then, okay, kita kong gagawin mo ito to your own good din. Okay, so I'm sorry about that. Kung narinig ninyo akong dumighay. Excuse me. Excuse mo. So, mga babes, no, yan. Going back right here, so I'm definitely seeing beautiful things for you, Leo. Okay, and ito, no, ito, mga babes. Nakita ko dito na paparating sa inyo na hindi mo talaga may iwasan is meron ditong manggugulo ng isipan ninyo. And for some reason, huwag kayong maniwala sa kanya. Kasi, parang piniikot-ikot-ikot niya lang kayo. You know? For some reason, nakikita ko na hindi niyo to kilala. Refrain from talking to someone na nararamdaman mong hindi siya mapagkakatiwalaan. Like, wag. And especially, pag may stranger nakapag-usap sa inyo, do not look at them directly into their eyes. No? Pwede nyo tingnan yung nose nila or yung lips nila, okay? It's alright. Okay? Kung gusto nyo maging, magpakita pa rin ng pagiging respectful to them, you can do that. But do not look into that person's eyes. Okay? So, definitely, di ko siya nakikita rito ng pagkakatiwalaan. And if you feel that that person here is parang iba yung pakiramdam mo, just cut the conversation, then leave the area. Okay? So yeah, these are all the messages I've got for you, Leo. Thank you so much for your time here, babe. Muli ako po si Yan. And if you are interested in making tambay din with my other channel, link is down below the description box. Sana ngayon, love and light. Annyeong.